and muscle cramps. Heat exhaustion may include cool, moist, pale skin, headache, dizziness, weakness or exhaustion, and nausea. The most serious illness is heat stroke, which may include vomiting, confusion, throbbing headache, decreased alertness or loss of consciousness, high body temperature above 105 degrees, hot, dry skin, rapid, weak pulse. This is your National Weather Service Office in San Angelo, Texas. This is a test of our NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. On good weather days, we test the system every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. In the event of threatening weather, we will delay this test until the next good weather day. Our 8 weather transmitters located near Throckmorton, Sweetwater, Abilene, Coleman, San Angelo, San Saba, Junction, and Ozona serve a West Central Texas listening area. For the areas these transmitters serve, our broadcast equipment will activate alarm tones and specific area encoder tones for weather watches and warnings, plus some non-weather related emergency messages. Our weather radio broadcasts for the West Central Texas listening area originate from your National Weather Service Office in San Angelo, Texas.